So here I run this command, right? So after creating the personal finance manager, now we need to develop the README file or the project document file. So I utilized /doc agent available within Amazon Q Developer. So when I run this command, when I run this prompt, so it has gone through all the files and now it has come up with this README file, right? So you see how excellent it is, right? So it will save several hours of professional writing, right? Even the top technical writing. So be surprised to see the outcome, right? So what is the outcome? You see here, right here, the video was moderated by myself, except that I had very minor tweaks, right? So then and there. However, most of the parts, over 95% of the tasks, were perfectly done using simply doc prompt within Amazon Q Developer. It's an amazing thing, right? It can speed up the development process by multiple times. Thank you.